All right, cool. So you got your fuel pump now, yeah? How much did it cost?
Like $20.
Easy day, huh? All right, let's see the fuel pump.
So it looks like this. Oh my gosh.
So is it all electric? What is it?
It's not electric, none of it is.
So it's all mechanical then,
Yes.
huh?
Mechanical.
Good. So we're gonna unbolt it. Where does it go? Show me.
Goes right here. It's like covered, you can barely see it, I think. And it has like a bunch of like gunk on it right there. So it's gonna go in like that.
Cool. All right, cool. Let's watch. All right, we're gonna watch and learn. How old are you?
16.
Oh my goodness. You always have the best attitude at 16, don't you? I love you. All right, we're watching her wrench. And she's using a crescent. She could probably use a different wrench, but it's okay. You use a crescent.
How the heck am I supposed to do this?
I'm gonna learn.
Oh my god.
So see how the crescent is really wide?
Yeah.
Sometimes you might not be able to pull it off with that, so that's why you brought the other toolbox.
Okay. This might work though.
Yeah, that. Or maybe another wrench. I don't know.
I don't know how to take this thing out.
Just spitballing, huh? We don't know what size yet. We're just guessing.
Too big. This one might. I think that's it. Gosh, this just hurts my stomach.
You're allowed to use a step stool.
It's okay.
What size is it?
11mm.
So this is an American car, and that's the metric system, which is used everywhere but in America. But it might work. So you might have to get the same thing that's equal to 11mm, which is what size? We can check. Want to check? All right, let's check.
Wait, check where?
All right, so what did you just figure out?
The 11mm is half an inch.
Well, close to, yeah. Yeah. Because 11mm is just right here, right? So then you go, oh, okay, 3/8 drive, 9, 10, 11, 9, 10, 11, half inch. So maybe. Let's try it, yeah, half inch. Take both, it might work. Okay, so what did you find? You found which one?
It was a 7/16.
Okay, good. So 7/16 fits better.
Yeah, I think it's 7/16.
Good.
Bruh.
Uh-oh. So now you got to get the adapter.
Yeah.
Or you can find another one that's just a 7/16.
What about, is it
That's
just
fine.
this?
Yeah, that's an adapter. That'll work. So it's a 3/8 to like the quarter, I think, drive.
Don't we have to unplug it from this right here and this?
Yep, you got to break all those lines down there as well. You're right. So you could do it one of two ways. You could start breaking it loose off of that engine block, and you know, just crack the bolts a little bit, loosen them, and then you can work on that. Or you can just grab that crescent wrench and then work that line. See that line down there? You can pop it down right there and just loosen it.
So it's gonna be this one. Okay.
Yeah. What do you think is best?
Well, I know we're already here. Let's just do this.
Okay. But what happens if you can't break the line? Then it's wiggling everywhere. So maybe crack the line first, right?
Yeah, both of them, right?
Yeah, I would. Let's get them.
I just don't know which way it goes.
Before you loosen or tighten it more, which way do you think it should go?
To left, so up.
Up is to the left?
Is it? No, it's not.
Sure?
No, that's to the right, so down.
So see how you got a little bit more space on your tool to grab to the edge of the handle, so you got leverage working with you.
So hold it here.
Yeah. And just give it a good bump. There you go. That's it, yep. And just readjust yourself. But you see, if you would have disconnected it off the block first.
Oh, that would have been so much harder.
Yeah. I mean, it's still doable, but you're like, oh man, I made a mistake. I think we need to see how strong you are. Go. You got to do your mean face. That's why it's not working. Remember? Do your mean face. Ready? And... That's not even your mean face. Show me your mean face.
That was my mean face. What are you talking about?
Your mean face.
Wait, it's stuck.
Show your mean face.
Wait, I have to get this out.
Show your war face. And just pop it.
But it's stuck.
You gotta loosen it up again then. That's why it's an adjustable wrench. Crescent wrench. You gotta wiggle it up and down and again, you can get a different wrench to bite onto it better, so it won't get stuck or slip. So what happened?
I hit my finger.
Busted knuckles.
Here.
Oh, right. But yeah, we're doing leverage, right? Yeah, we're trying to use a wrench. Open and wrench. We almost got it, or did it slip even more? Or no, did it turn more?
Kind of.
All right, let's get back to it. Good, so you broke it loose. All right, so. Good, and then you can just pull it all the way up or down, whatever. And you know how it goes. And you just go on top right there, that's fine. Easy day. All right, so now you gotta get the other one. Easy, it's pinchy. Good, huh? Yeah. You're gonna try to bite it from down there?
Easier.
Well, how about this one? Watch, car. Do you see how you have this piece right here? You could just get it right here. Pinch it off there, because this is the one mounted all the way that goes under where we found it and chased it. So you just get this one right here and wiggle it off, and then the whole thing comes off, and then you could just take it off over there, you know? So you take it off right there, slip off the hose, and then you could take your 2 bolts off the engine block part, right?
I keep on like losing it.
That's it. You just wiggle it.
This was like the one that I did underneath.
Mm-hmm.
I had to go to the other side for it.
Oh, it's super hard?
Yeah.
Super tough, yeah. Yeah, you figure the one that's closer to the pump is probably easier because it probably got removed as well.
Yeah.
But either way, it's all good. And again, these lines might need to get replaced. So if you want, you can try to chase and get the other one that's closer to the pump. And then put that one back just like you did in the other one. It's totally up to you.
That might be easier.
Okay.
It's right here. I'm gonna get so much dust in my eyes.
Yep. And fuel too, yep. I was gonna say and fuel. It's just gonna be a little bit, so.
Do I let it go?
Yeah, you can let it go. So that was just a little bit. That was probably in the bottom part of the diaphragm of the fuel pump.
Yeah.
And then remember, so this lever might be broken inside, and that's why it's not pumping. So there's some gas getting sent into on the bottom, but then it doesn't have enough to pump this one up and down to send it to the carburetor. So cool. Busted knuckles, you like them?
Look at my nail is bruised.
It's pretty good, huh? Happy about that?
No, look at.
Show them, not me. They might
Okay.
care, but do I?
No.
All right, good job. And so now you got a couple extensions on. You got a little bit more space to turn the wrench now, right?
Yeah.
It still might not be the right angle, so we might have to get the other ratchet wrench. Do you think you can do it from there or no?
Maybe if I take one of these off.
You can't.
What the heck, bro?
Place.
I think it might work. I don't know if I'm turning it the right way.
Lefty loosey, right? So the ratcheting part, the clicky click parts,
Wait, but like, because you can turn which way it turns though, right?
So hold that. Now turn that. So are you loosening it or tightening it? That clicking is that clicking is not the job.
I know, look at the way it's turning.
Now look.
Oh, you're tightening it.
That draw right there is the machine doing it. The tool doing it.
You're tightening it.
So what do you need to adjust?
This?
Yes, ma'am. There you go. Now you're lefty-loosies.
Wait.
Yeah, you're good now. See how your knuckles are all busted in the way still? So you still barely have enough clearance.
So I have to... So then I should have it this way more? Yeah, it's turning.
Good.
I think I can get...
And then you can even take it off of the ratchet wrench and then just use the extension and use your fingers, and then you just finger loosen it kind of that way, you know?
Yes.
Let me try to get the other one now. Weird spot, right?
Yeah. I think I might need another extension.
Is it reaching? Yeah.
I don't know if it's turning now.
Might be a different size. Because it looks like it's super easy, huh?
Yeah.
Or you're not even seated on it correctly. So watch, click this off, and then seat it on it with your hand, and then you gotta put each extension on there afterwards. So much gunk, right?
Yeah.
What did I say to use?
No, this is good.
Okay.
It's a good size.
All right. There's just gunk on it, right?
Yeah.
You're loosening all the gunk off of it. Yeah, not the bolts.
Where am I?
There's your hands. Look so pretty. Like a mechanic. What's a mechanic?
A magnet? Wait, I don't even know what you said.
A mechanic. A mechanic.
Oh, I thought you said magnet. I think it's still just like a weird angle. Let's see. If I can try and get it. If I can get it right here. Did I turn it the wrong way? I think this thing ended up turning right here.
You gotta check it. Always.
Is that the right way? No. Yeah. You. hands are getting tired.
Mm-hmm. Your hands, your back, your legs. But it's all for the glory, so we can make it go vroom.
Mm-hmm.
Like, that's the exciting part at the end of it. You're like, all right, made it start and kept it running. And then you just, again, it's just troubleshoot after troubleshoot to make it run better, look better, sound better, beat faster, stop harder, turn better, all that stuff, you know?
Mm-hmm.
That's why it's boom.
See all this stuff in here.
Mm-hmm. Would an extension help in there or no?
No, it's gonna be too long.
How about if you just turn with your hand with the ratchet off? So yeah, just use that. It might be too tight, but sometimes you can get it.
Oh yeah.
How about that? So I think that bolts all the way off, so you can just pull it right out and try to pull it out with your finger.
It's still stuck.
Yeah, a couple turns though.
Mm-hmm.
Super loose, so now
Yeah.
it's coming off the engine block and everything. Sometimes they'll keep on turning. Yeah, see, I knew it was already off.
Oh my gosh.
It'll keep on turning, but it's already off. So you could just literally just slip it all the way out, but there's so much gunk and grime on there, it just kind of held it in place. And it's like it's still threaded, but it's not. Good, it's off. Actually, there's a gasket, good. That thing didn't break. Oh, good. See, I thought it broke. Dun, 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 dun. All right, good. So what is that called again?
Fuel pump.
Man, so look at the difference of the two, huh? So, I mean, it looks to be good, but I don't know. We'll see.
Maybe this is the inside.
Yep, don't know. So we're troubleshooting. It's $20 troubleshoot, right?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. All right, let's put that bad boy in now, okay?
Okay.
All right. All right, good. So what are you doing now? Does that rock go there?
No, I'm just cleaning all this stuff off so nothing gets inside there to mess up the new fuel pump that we got.
Cool. Just cleaning up the grime.
Oh my god, it's in my nail.
Gunk fell off already.
This is just like oil buildup?
Mm-hmm. Where does it come from again?
Yes.
Yeah. We gotta do that next. So I guess when it's starting to run, we'll do it. Not next, but soon.
Yes.
What is that job called again? What is it? It's a valve what?
Valve cover?
Gasket.
Yeah.
Just finishing cleaning it up now, yeah. Scrapey to everything. So there's a definite way to install this though. Remember you read it? And that little thingy had to be above or below on the inside part of the can.
Below.
Okay. So hopefully,
Install it right?
yeah, and it's in the right area, remember? You said it had to be in a different position. So with this, it goes like this. And this thing, can you move it up and down?
Kind of just goes like that.
Well, there's a lot more movement to it, but yeah. Alright, so you have a pretty good idea of how to install it now, right? Where to place it. You need a gasket. Did you already put your gasket on? Which way did the gasket go?
Like this?
You sure?
Why would you put it like this?
Why don't you put it the other
It's
way?
like putting on underwear backwards.
But why not flip it around the other way? What's the difference?
There's not a difference.
Good. Just making sure you knew. Putting underwear on backwards. Have you ever done that before?
What?
Put your underwear on backwards.
Nothing better than that.
Little kid.
So I should go under this way.
Yeah, you try not to get any gunk inside of it though, right?
Yeah.
That's the job. You got no bolts in your hand, so I'll hand you a bolt.
It's not going in.
So it's got to be above that thing, right?
So it has to be pressed up. Does it?
Doesn't go up very far though, right?
Yeah. Oh no, it's weird.
Okay, so after the silly picture, we finally figured it out.
It's like the rod though is like supposed to go forward. That's the only hard part.
I think that's it.
Oh, wait, what?
Your gasket's not on. You left your gasket off, homie.
I know. Yeah, the
Got
rod,
it.
little rod thing moves.
Okay.
Put underwear on backwards.
Ha! You put your underwear on backwards again.
Oh. I had it. It's like,
That rod's got to be on top of that lever then, yeah.
dang it. My goodness.
Do you feel it? Yeah.
Yeah, it's just it keeps on sliding back down.
So remember, it said to use a
Oh yeah,
hacksaw blade or something to hold it.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I got it up with my finger.
So it's basically like a little lever in there, right?
Yeah.
And you have to hold it upwards. After you hold it upwards, then you got to mount it. So then this guy goes, which part goes on top? That part goes on top or below?
Below, sorry. So the rod is gonna go right here.
Yeah.
So this part can go up.
So no, this part pushes downwards.
Pushes down?
Yes, because then the spring goes up.
Oh.
And then it's making all the vacuum to pull fuel, to pump fuel. So you gotta engage it and keep it engaged upwards with the hacksaw blade, because that's what it even said.
Bruh, and it went down.
Yeah, so you know how to do it now, so easier, right?
Yeah.
You think it's easier with the hacksaw blade again or no?
This is kind of awkward because this is so small.
And you're in a really awkward position for your body mounted up high and then back down low, and yeah. Maybe if you sit under there you can see it better, I don't know. But your head can barely fit in there, you know?
Yeah. Plus I don't have long arms either, so.
Tyrannosaurus Rex arms.
Literally. It's okay. Ouch.
So if you just install it the way it is, do you feel that rod's already below it, yeah? Or it just keeps on falling?
It keeps on falling down.
Yeah.
Because I mean, that's just how it's supposed to be.
Yeah. If you angle it upwards from there. No?
Right there. This piece. Hold this. Oh, don't tell me it slid back down. It did. Hold on, I think I can get it. Oh! That smashed my finger. It hurt. Can you see this real quick?
Looks like it's seated well. So hold it there and the bolt is right here. You got one bolt right here, okay? Yeah, it's seated. Just hold it there. Just get 10 turns on it. Yeah, the next one is right there. Not cool? Figured it out.
It's not going in.
Get the other side then. Just
Oh,
hold
right
it.
there, I got it.
Yeah.
Am I turning it the wrong way?
Very tight.
This way, right?
Okay. Hold that in place and then get the other bolt on the other side.
Okay.
No, don't let it sag. You can't let it sag. You have to hold it in place. Because then that rod might slip out, right?
Mm-hmm.
Push it, push that thing all the way to the engine block. Push it hard. There you go. And your tool is in here. Where's it at? Yep. There you go. And you can start pushing with that. So you're just finishing up tightening it now, yeah?
We took off the gas pump, and that took us forever because I couldn't get the little pump and everything. So you have to hold that up, and that took me kind of a long time to do. And getting the screws into that was tough, but we got it. And then we had to reattach this, I forget what it's called.
Fuel line.
Fuel line. And then there's like a screw down there, so you have to get that. And there's another clip like this, but on the bottom side. Same thing of the gas pump.
Fuel
Now,
pump.
We're just cleaning up.
Cool. Let's try to start this guy. Yep. Yeah. Keep going. All right, good. I think we're gonna get.
That was so good.
You did it. She did it. She fixed it. But she wasn't recording when we started it. She had it on pause.
Did I actually?
You did. Okay, but it's running. Good job.
Thank you.
You're able to drag around with it now?
So that's what it was. It was a bad fuel pump.
Did you guys just have to replace something?
Yeah, show her what you replaced.
Like what kind of here?
Show the old one.
That silver piece right there? It's this one right here. I just took it out.
That's the old one? That's really old.
Yeah.
Good job.
Now you can, is there anything else? Is there anything else to replace?
That was it.
Can you move now?
Got it. Bye.
You ready to try it? Go ahead, try it.
What? There goes half a tank again. We didn't put a even half a tank in her. Hello?
Okay, here we go. First drive around the block in I don't know how long, right? Sweet sound, huh? So again, first gear is never really used, second, third, and fourth, okay? Go around the block and go get air in the tires. Excited to drive it, huh? You gotta learn though, huh?
Yeah.
Oops, I don't have any brakes, I can feel it. No brakes. So that's what we gotta fix next. Brakes.
Yeah.
I can literally feel it. Brakes. Scary moment. But luckily, I'm a seasoned driver, huh? brakes are not good though. No brakes is not a good thing. Watch, I can put it in neutral. Let's see if I can watch. Put the camera down. I'm not gonna put it down there yet. See? I'm not gonna stop it. It's all the way down.
That's so scary.
Happens. You know, we know what needs to be done, and that's all.
Yeah.
Let's put some air on the tires at least. You want to do that at the house? We gotta find the attachments.
Let's just go over there.
Let's just do it at the house, so that means we have to find the attachments. Sucker! You can use the car to slow yourself down, and that's what I just did. I downshifted kind of harder, but it's still tough.
What about your emergency brake? Did you have an emergency brake?
It's not really an emergency brake, it's a parking brake.
Oh.
So it's not meant to do anything much, you know?
Yeah.
We can just put it in the dirt right here. See, and the hill slowed us down enough.
Yeah.
Now we're in gear and I can let off and we're not rolling back. So, cool, huh? Good job, man. Alright, bye.